little... Oh, son of a... Oh, sweet morning. All right, so it's no mystery I play D&D. And I love everything from planning the session to making the characters, but I've always wanted to make my own miniatures. Now, I am absolutely terrible at programming. I'm even worse than that at sculpting. And worst of all, I'm cheap. So, here's the cheapest 3D printer I could find. It was 70 bucks. Okay, so originally I was just gonna grab one of my tiny knives. It's not even taped. And look how it came. All right, I'm just gonna unbox this and I'll fast forward through this process. Okay, so this is everything in the box. Not a lot. Okay, the main business area was 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. Done. All right, last part's wiring. Easy enough. Red to red. And then we got, what do we got? What do we got? Are these color coordinated? I mean, that one was. Why aren't the rest? Oh, it's idiot proof, but it wasn't Dwarven Dad proof. Okay, there we go. Wait, right? There it goes. It's either gonna be really good or really bad. I don't know if I did it wrong or if that's just the very beginning of an itty bitty baby print.
I don't know if I didn't level it right, but it kept scraping the bottom off.
Okay, so I was an idiot because when I was feeding in the plastic material, I was actually unfeeding it. Print, my beautiful machine. Print. Ooh, why does it look like that? So apparently leveling the bed is something of a thing. Lessons for next time. My God, it's been like 10 minutes. Okay, I was skeptical, but we are seeing something, and it looks actually pretty damn smooth. All right, so we're halfway through whatever the hell this is. That thing literally jumped off the spool. Hi, Dwarven Dog.
Go, damn you, go. Oh, damn it, I missed like the last second of it.
It's got a little hair. Okay, so it is officially done printing. I have no idea how to turn it off. Also, am I allowed to take this off right now? Like, is it soft? No, it's hard. Come here, you little... Oh, son of a... I'm a freaking fight somebody. Watch this. You see this? Oh, it comes off. And it's bendable. You know, to like frickin'. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how my first print went. Dude, check it out. It like unravels. Enjoyment.